on the front line. Ain't got time for relaxing. Gotta keep my focus. I don't wanna lose my life. On the front line. No time. Gotta keep my focus. Don't wanna lose.
Digital storage has been evolving for a number of years now. The technologies are not sleeping. People are doing business and people are doing innovation, trying to get the best that will suit the customer's need and also solve certain world's issues. So in this video, I'm going to take you through different storage types that has already ever existed and the ones which are still under development. To start it off with, the ones which are under research, the organic digital storage. An example is the wetware. The wetware is an organic computer which can also be known as an artificial organic brain or a neurocomputer. Researchers at the National University of Singapore have developed a novel brain storage device that could enable the transformation into an electroconductor semiconductor design technology. Another one is Elon Musk Neuralink. Neuralink, founded in 2016, is said to be an evolving technology that will see brain used as a center of medium for man to do actions. You will only need to think. That means it will use only your thought for you to carry on with work. Musk says it is possible and it is under intense research. Now, to kick it off with the storages which are already available. Number one is the hard disk or the hard disk drive. HDD is a non-volatile storage medium which most of you are already using. Number two is the floppy disk. Floppy disk is an old computer technology now, and its limitation has been that it stores a small amount of data. Another one is the USB flash drive, which relies on the NAND flash memory technology. Then number four is the solid state drive or the SSD, which is the one commonly being used in most computers today. There is the cloud storage. Cloud storage is a remote system of storing device where the server is not with you and the base is a distant far away. Cloud storage has an advantage in the sense that it is in theory. You don't handle it in your hand. You don't work with it or anything. Another advantage is also it is always accessible. As long as you have internet, you will access it. Then the last advantage is it is convenient. So cloud storage is the future of technology. It is very arguably and predictable that these solid state storages and other devices will vanish in the future and will remain with cloud storage. This has been proved by the sense that most softwares, including powerful video editing softwares, programming softwares, are already taking up online functions. Photo editors and the rest, they're taking up online functions, which means innovators or software programmers are already bracing for the future of cloud storage. DVDs. A DVD uses a finer laser because of its higher density. It works just like CDs, but the only difference is the storage is higher than the CDs. Magnetic tapes. Some people locally call it tapes. Magnetic tapes were used in the past because it was cheap. Now, in addition to the low cost, it was able to store digital data and ability to store at a larger amount of space, but currently it is outdated. A zip drive, also known as zip diskette, is just like a floppy disk. It operates with an low mega, which is just like a 1.44-inch floppy disk, but it is more advanced than the floppy disk because of the low mega. The Blu-ray disc is an optical storage device which was intended to replace the DVDs. It was introduced initially in 2006 by Consumer Electronics. This Blu-ray disc has a maximum storage of 25 GB in capacity. Another one is the SD card, or the secure digital code. Some people also call it memory cards. Memory cards are designed to allow saving and deleting of digital files. It is ideal for portable devices like computers, cameras, phones, and other devices. Most computers these days are now getting elimination from the CD injection point to the memory card slots. They're removing the parts where you can fix your DVDs or optical storages and replacing it with the secure digital card parts. Read-only memory. Read-only memory is a non-volatile memory chip that does not allow any alteration of device, alteration of data once stored into the device. Memory stick. Memory stick is a family of memory card which was introduced by Sony company in October 1998. It was intended for Sony phones like Sony Ericsson, the Open and Talk if you could remember, and some other Sony cameras. This was one of the first vision to transform a solid-state device into a portable medium. The RAM, or the random access memory. Computers use main memories such as cache and random access memory to all data which are undergoing processes or to all data which are being processed. For example, video editing, coding, DNA sequencing, and the rest. CD-RW, or the writable CD. These are optical device or optical compact disc which allows you to delete and also resave files which were saved on the CD. PROM and EEPROM. PROM is a programmable read-only memory, and then the EEPROM is a programmable erasable memory. Which, with the PROM, you can read it. That means you can save or delete. With the With the PROM, you can't delete, but with EEPROM you can still delete or erase. There is the RAID, which is the last one. The RAID uses a combination of multiple disks, runs it system. These are most likely used in gaming centers, software development centers, and other data. Till next time, bye bye.